Yellow.
It's a nice day today. On my little boat.
Caesar, right now you're still doing the test, right?
What test? I don't have a test.
Caesar, I want that.
It's alphabet 1. Do you want to downgrade?
Yes.
It's downgrading. That means you'll lose your stuff when you go into survival.
I don't need it.
And the reason why, you know why?
What?
It's like, and then it'll delete your world if you do that.
I don't need it.
Yeah, but if you're going to, there is a chance it'll delete that world. And you don't want to delete it, huh?
This is my home?
Yeah. It's a nice day. Let me get my stuff. And you want to take a risk of losing your world?
No.
Then don't download it. Don't downgrade. You have to upgrade or update, not downgrade.
Downgrade what? What's downgrade?
Downgrade means to lose your system, downgrade to another version. Like 0.13 does not have dispensers, and that's downgrading. No dispensers.
I
need one more to get. 7. 59, 61, 63. One more and then I'll get a full stack of charcoal.
No.
Here's charcoal. We'll go and...
Sorry guys, it just turned off. It quit. It looked like quit.
A nice day to go.
Let's put an orange tulip. Ta-da! My houses look like decorated. One more thing.
Oh, it's gonna crash. Sorry guys, that sometimes happens.
Yeah.
Don't mind that. Okay.
Say something's going out to my sister.
Please load. Is it?
Say something's going out to my
Something is going on to the system. This is why.
What?
There we go.
Jason?
Whoa! I fell down. Oh, great.
Haha, very funny. Jason, you look like falling down.
I'm gonna need a block.
Jason, right now decorating my house.
Don't really need any wood because I have
type.
already a lot. And I lost all my stuff. See, Kelly, when I went to survival, I lost all my stuff.
When you die?
Nice.
Optus, bye-bye. Beautiful.
One more
Hey
charcoal.
guys, I'm back. I'm sorry I didn't pause the video, but it was by accident. Yeah, it's by accident, right, Jason?
Yeah.
I don't need this.
Whoa! Not again.
You're keep falling down, Jason.
Yeah. Oh wait! What? Oh no! I forgot to. Oh my God! No, my boat. Oh great!
Jason. Jason, it look like exploding your boat.
Great! My boat exploded. Oh my God! That was a disaster.
Don't do this.
I don't think I can go back home now. I think I'm stuck here. Make a new home. Wait, what's that chest over there? I never seen that chest before.
What's that chest look
Over there.
like? Tell me.
I never seen this chest. It was not here. Oh my god!
That means you can build a house.
I don't think I have enough materials for a house.
Okay. Let's.
A whole set of items.
That.
Where did this come from?
even
Maybe. Oh wait, I remember.
This.
Oh
that,
come on! I think I just
This.
Where's my axe?
I love it.
There.
Oh,
Give me
but
those chests.
I have to put these stuff away. Ew, I don't need this. Dogs!
More for
I
me.
forgot to
Each
put
chest
you
for me.
Oh, jeez. No, I want my
Start it out with some starter items.
Blech. I want my smell of flowers. Okay.
There is a chance I could salvage some items from here with all this pickaxes and stuff. Yeah, I can. I can salvage this boat.
Yeah, let's make it.
For anything that I have.
Oh.
Can you get this last?
Yeah,
Anything
that
in the
looks
chest?
good.
Nope. So I can just use my axe.
I can just do this.
My anvil.
Hey, I can do the same pattern. Oh, I got a good idea. Maybe I should do stripes.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. I forgot I had lava.
Maybe you should make a pattern. Okay, good night, dogs. I need to go sleep. So I'll be back, guys.
This is last.
No, I like no. No way! No way! I never go sleep before. No way! In the back of my house, decorating.
Okay, I think I'm gonna have to swim to land. It's midday.
Swim what? I never seen you swim to the land before.
What time has it been?
Okay.
It loads because it's very laggy.
Today is laggy day.
Wait, what?
It's laggy
Oh,
day.
jeez.
You know it's laggy day?
Oh, great, I crashed.
Haha, laggy day. It's laggy day. Oh gosh. I can't even do it. I can't even
Jeez. Jeez,
Okay.
Louise. What was that?
What did you just say?
I said, geez, Louise. What was that?
Okay. Never mind.
Good thing I'm not picking up any.
So guys,
Perfect.
my video
Never
is
mind.
going to end soon, so I'll see you later. Bye! Oops.
I'm gonna have to end it right here, guys. So,
Sorry guys, that was just
bye.